Hi, my name's Kate. I have a family maternity session tonight out at the ocean, and I thought I would bring you along. I will show you a little bit about what I'm packing, behind the scenes, and kind of everything that goes into my process. So to start with, I have everything packed in my camera bag. This is kind of my go-to bag anytime I have a lifestyle shoot. So anything family, portraits, that kind of thing. If I'm not packing lights with me, this is my go-to bag. My Canon R6, those are my two. Well, I have three. Actually, I have too many cameras. They are my go-to cameras always. I love them. My 28-70 pretty much stays on my camera all the time, and that will be my prime camera today. With it being a family, I'm not quite sure. Actually, I'm going to switch this one out. So I've got the 85 on here at the moment, which I do love when I have a little bit more control over people. But when we have toddlers involved, you have to be a little bit more intentional with where you're shooting and how you're shooting it. So I'm going to switch this out to my 50 mil 1.2 because I love the bokeh on it. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't have to be quite as far back from my subjects, which is nice. I'm not quite sure how much I will use it. We're going to kind of section out the shoot a few ways. We're going to be doing some with the toddler, some without the toddler, some of just the couple with the bump. So, and then we're also actually doing some in like the meadow forest and then some out at the ocean. So we've got a couple outfit changes, which I'll show you kind of the dresses that we're going to be using for tonight. They're from my client closet, which my clients absolutely love. They get beautiful dresses without the expense of buying them, which is great. So, anyway, so I'll see kind of which camera I use the most. As always, my Spida holster is my go-to these days. Absolutely love this. It's a great way of having hands-free without the strain on my shoulders. So this is my go-to, always with me. Speaker keeps everyone more chill, more relaxed. You can always do with that when you have a 36-week pregnant mama and a toddler. My Ray-Ban glasses, I love having these on for a little bit of behind the scenes. So if I actually remember to use them and press the button, then they're great for capturing. SD cards, I always have extras with me because you just never quite know. Extra battery, charged, and then I always keep this extra little SD case with me because when I'm done my shoot, I take my second card out of, oh, hold on, I need a second card. So obviously I always prep my gear, but I haven't put my card in here. So I always have two cards and it always records everything that I shoot on both cards. So it's like, it's duplicate. I will then also make sure I format the card always because I always want to know there's no problems. And I also want to make it as easy as possible when I'm done my shoot, which is why I take this little guy with me. The first card that I have everything recording onto, it's all formatted. I put everything in here at the end of my session before I even close up my bag, throw this in my purse when I get home. It's simple, super easy to just grab that and kind of go. That's pretty much everything I take with me in the way of my gear. And now I will take you to my client closet and kind of show you a few of the dresses that we're going to be taking with us and kind of why I bring them. The light in here is terrible, but this is sort of some of my collection of dresses. Today's dress, we are doing some in the ocean, or at least on the beach. So I'm taking one of my dresses that I'm not maybe as concerned about. This one is going to be sort of more of a modest family dress. This is just a new one that I have. This one is like, it's very sheer. It's a beautiful dress. So I need to make sure I have underlays because we don't need all those goodness showing. So I'm going to load all that up into my bag. I've got a change tent with me because no pregnant woman wants to be changing at 37 weeks in the back of their car. So I have a change tent. I've got blankets. I've got everything to make it easy when we go. I'll probably bring my wagon along because I don't want to be hauling all that kind of stuff, but I'm going to take you with me behind the scenes. You'll kind of see how I'm prompting and where we're shooting. So I got here with really great timing and I have time to check out my inspo board, show you the space. It's absolutely perfect here right now. So as you can see, we've got like kind of like this open meadow, which is cool. And then that light, you'll see in a sec here, it just filters behind the trees really, really nicely. And be just on that shadow line. That's kind of like that sweet spot right there. So this is where we're gonna start and check out the behind the scenes. Okay, so Mark, I'm gonna get you to kind of pop your hand in that pocket. And then Susan, can you snuggle into his arm? Yeah, yeah, around the bicep. Yeah, and then bring your hand to the bump. Yes. Okay, so this is probably gonna be one of the only posy ones, I promise, okay? So, hi handsome, where's the airplane? Look at you. Oh. Got you. So Susan, you're gonna sit with your butt right here, your legs off this side, and then you're gonna lean your back onto Mark's leg almost. Yeah, so can you go rotate so that you're on both butt cheeks? I'm leaning into him. Yes. Does that feel okay?
Yeah, like that?
Yeah. And then bend this knee up if you can.
Yeah.
If there's something you can't do, you please tell me, because it's been a long time since I had a bump in the way. You know what? Yeah, maybe can we keep him out for just 1 sec? I'll do a couple of the two of you. Yes.
I don't know.
So the biggest thing I should have said right here. So the biggest thing when we're doing these, like for the most part, you're not going to be looking at me.
Okay.
I want you interacting with each other, snuggling, nuzzling. If you're not sure where to look, feel free to close your eyes, because there's nothing worse than like having like a nice intimate moment and then the dude's like staring at the sky. It happens all the time. Oh, airplane! All the time. So just snuggle in, okay? If you're not sure what to do, nuzzle right into the temple, hold her hand, lots of cuddles. Just remember there's lots of baby poop coming soon, so make the most of it. No. Yes. Gorgeous. Beautiful. Yes. Susan, bring your hand up to the top of your bump there. Yes. Beautiful. Yeah, love it. And then looking off this side onto the distance. Oh yeah. Shimmy those shoulders. Yeah. And to me and smile. Gorgeous. And then down to the bump again. Yeah. And let's bring maybe bring your left hand down to the bump. Yes.
Up high or down?
Maybe high. And just kind of like sway back and forth a little bit. Yes. Gorgeous. Oh, stunning. And then eyes to me.
Oh yeah?
Do you want to go on Daddy's shoulders?
Yeah.
Let's get your
How tall do you want to be?
Want to go up? Ready? Don't kick me in the face too hard.
Oh my goodness gracious. You're the tallest of us all.
Are you good? You hang on tight.
Where's Mommy? Where's Mama? Yeah. Oh, can you reach Mommy? What? Oh, he's so tall. Look at you. You're like the king of the castle up there. Yes, you are. Reach out with your right hand to her right hand. Yeah. Anything. What you're doing is great. Yes, bring your hand here. Go like this?
Yep.
There we go.
Yep.
And then, there we go. Yeah. And then bring your hand to his hand. Yes. Oh, beautiful. Gorgeous. Susan, just kind of rest your hand. Okay, there. And then look over your shoulder to her, Mark. Yeah. Good. Oh, beautiful. Me. Hi, handsome.
So funny.
Now that we're getting towards the end of the session, we are now going to be going out to the ocean. And yes, let's look this way actually. Yeah. This way. Yep, right there. Yeah. Aw, nice kisses, bud. Aw. It's like a little sandwich. Yeah. Gorgeous. Yeah. And then I'll do the same with center, but you want pivot. Here, give Mommy seashell. Oh, nice. Oh, that's a nice rocket. What's up to you?
It's gonna be cold. Because we're at the beach.
Yeah, no 2-year-old does not go in that water. all done in the car. Obviously the sun has gone down, so it's pretty dark now, but such a great shoot. I really loved it. As I predicted, because there was a toddler involved and there was so much movement and trying to get him interactive with what we were doing, it was so demanding. I actually didn't even shoot with my 50 mil at all, which I'm kind of disappointed about, but I'm not really surprised. Normally the zoom lens does everything for me. I love the look of the bokeh on the 1.2, so I love using my 50 and my 85, but obviously that was just not really in the cards today. The bigger priority was making sure we got those moments and didn't miss them out. So really great shoot, and yeah. If you liked it, let me know. I will bring you along with me for a few more shoots as well, and if you'd like me to go into editing, post-processing, anything like that, just throw a comment below and give me some feedback, and then I'll know what you're looking for, and I will work on getting that for you. But other than that, have a wonderful day.